Every fucking day at 5 o'clock. No, no con teléfono aquí. Every fucking day at 5 o'clock. This is what I have to deal with when I get out of work. I'm pissed off right now. You see, okay, you see them little cars, that blue car? Oh, I think I can zoom. Can I zoom? Yeah. Those are the conchos filled with people. How the fuck is going to... This is fucking ridiculous. Every day at 5 o'clock. This is what niggas gotta deal with when they wanna go home. So I either get in a taxi. Wait. How's this? So I either get in a taxi, wait for this bullshit to die down, or I motherfucking get in one of those little fucking cars with no AC, mind you, and 7 people inside it soaking wet, more than likely. This is bullshit. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of here. People might not believe this, but this is an everyday occurrence. Every fucking day, every day, every day, every day. You know it's quitting time when you see the rain drop. Look at those 4 people over there trying to catch the bus. A mess.